Cost comparison for dental crowns with Europe and Turkey. With regards to dental treatment, among the many methods that many people require is the purchase of dental crowns. They are utilized for protection or to restore teeth that have been damaged, giving them durability and enhancing the appearance. The cost of dental crowns may vary dramatically based on where you'll be getting your treatment performed. In the following video, we'll look at the price of dental crowns across Europe and Turkey in order to find out what are the major variations. Cost of dental crowns in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental crowns may differ depending on the place where you live and on the grade of the material that are used. In general, the price of a crown for a tooth in Europe is ranging between €500 up to €1,000 every tooth. It can be more expensive in the event that additional treatment is required, like treatment for gum disease or root canal treatment. These are usually necessary prior to placing an artificial crown. In places such as Germany, France, and the UK, in which the costs of dental treatment, which includes dental crowns, may be rather expensive due to the rising price of living as well as the high cost of work. Private dentists are in these areas and typically charge higher rates on dental crowns as compared with the public ones, making it difficult for a lot of people to afford. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to its low prices and top-quality dental treatment. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe, as prices vary between €200 up to €500 for a tooth. It is not the case that lower costs translate to lower quality. In fact, many of the dental facilities within Turkey employ the same material and tools as dental clinics in Europe that ensure high-quality services. The cost-effectiveness of tooth crowns and dental implants in Turkey could be due to the cost-effectiveness of living and labor as compared with European countries. The dental clinics are able to give competitive rates, but without sacrifice in high quality. Furthermore, the Turkish government is investing into medical tourism, which makes more accessible for foreign patients to get dental treatment within Turkey. Benefits of getting dental crowns in Turkey. There are numerous advantages of receiving dental crowns in Turkey as compared to Europe. One of the biggest benefits is the price savings. When choosing to receive tooth crowns made in Turkey, patients can cut costs by 50% or more in comparison to European cost. The result is that dental treatment becomes cheaper and more accessible to patients who aren't capable of affording these treatments in their home country. Apart from cost savings, Turkey is known for its warmth and warm cultural traditions, making it a sought-after tourist destination for medical travel. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey offer services to patients from abroad and offer services in various languages as well as assistance for the arrangements for travel. This could make the overall procedure when it comes to getting dental crowns in Turkey more pleasant and convenient for the patients. In addition, numerous dental centers within Turkey utilize the most recent technology and equipment in order to offer the highest quality dental care. It ensures that patients receive top-quality treatments and obtain great outcomes. Highly skilled and knowledgeable dentists, patients will be secure in the quality of their care in Turkey. Conclusion. In the end, the price of crowns for dentistry in Europe are significantly more expensive in comparison to Turkey and makes Turkey the more cost-effective option for those seeking dental care. Affordable prices, superior treatment, and an inviting setting, Turkey has become a very popular place to visit for dental treatment. If you're considering dental crowns, then you might be interested in exploring the option to get them in Turkey in order to cut costs and be treated with the highest quality.